Welcome to our second segment of Nzukọ Anambra today, and I just have to inform you that this is a special edition which will be coming your way in English because we have somebody, our sister from a sister state right here, so we'll do it in English. I'm Roy. I'll be asking you to join us.
And I'm Uche Chukwu Ebonam. Good morning and welcome to the second segment of Nzukọ Anambra.
And on this segment, we'll be talking about the importance of third-party insurance. And we have here, I guess, the branch coordinator, Deltacom Anambra State's Anchor Insurance Company Limited, Eruke Onoro, Mrs. Welcome to ABS.
Thank you very much.
All right, for a start, tell us about insurance. What do we understand by insurance first before we go into what third-party insurance is all about? Yeah. So, yeah, you can marry that with what is third-party insurance as well. Just get close to the mic. It doesn't look like AK-49. It's just a very wonderful companion.
Thank you very much. Insurance, in the layman's language, it's a cover that enables you go back to a state before an incident happens. I'm trying to make it come down to a ground level where you can understand.
Exactly.
For an instance, you have a car, there was no accident or anything, your car is clean, you're riding it, and something happens. When you have insurance brings your car back to where it is, whether it was default or damaged, anything. When you have an insurance, it helps you to settle those damages and bring your car back to where it used to be. And third-party insurance, in Nigeria, is a basic motor insurance required by law in Nigeria. And it protects the insured. We call the person insured. Whoever buys an insurance policy is the insured. It protects the insured from illegal liability if his or her vehicle causes damage to another person or another person's property or their vehicle. In a simple way, it's the minimum legal insurance required for all motorists in Nigeria. That's just a simple definition of a third-party insurance.
Okay. So why is it important for vehicle owners to, have this third-party insurance? That's one. And then what class of vehicle owners does it apply to? Or is it everybody?
Okay, thank you. In Nigeria, third-party motor insurance is compulsory. It's compulsory for all vehicle owners. Okay. It is important because it covers unexpected costs and it saves the insured from paying out of his pocket for medical bills or legal fees or damages to the third party's properties or the third party's vehicle. That's why it's important. And its legal requirements have to be third party insurance that all vehicle owners in Nigeria, it is important they have. As far as you have a vehicle or you are a driver using a vehicle, you must purchase a third party insurance. It also helps to prevent the grievances that arise from the third parties who may face challenges with the insured. For an instance, I'm driving my keke or my car, and a bike man just comes and hits my car. Because he doesn't have a third-party insurance, he starts begging, "Oga, sorry," and the third party whose car has been damaged, is angry and is not happy. But if that tricycle owner or the other vehicle owner has a third-party insurance, these grievances won't come up.
Okay.
The simple thing is to present the third party and the insurance company will start settling issues.
I want to understand something. When we look at the Western world, USA, UK and all that, we hear this insurance thing very well. Someone hits your car and the insurance company covers it or something like that, repairs for the vehicle repair after much investigation on the issue.
Yes.
Is that workable here in Nigeria? Because I've seen people who have this insurance when they go for their vehicle papers, they have their insurance, third-party insurance, they have their roadworthiness certificates and all that. It's all attached together when you're doing your plate number and all that. How effective is the insurance thing? Because I don't know, but to a great extent, people don't even know that this thing is very much effective to the level you are talking about it right now.
It's very effective, not just because I'm in the insurance industry. Like Ango, where I work,
Okay.
we've paid claims for third party. The important thing is that where do you get your insurance? Get it from a reputable insurance company who you know they are prompt in paying claims. They are very prompt. When you get your insurance from a good insurance company, you don't have such challenges.
Okay, just my next question comes with an attachment anyway.
Okay.
So what makes it different from other vehicle insurance policies, and then how are you creating awareness so that people will even know all these things you are churning out now and the benefits? Yeah.
Okay.
Because one thing is to know about it, that is in existence, and then how you partake of it. So, right on.
All right. The third party vehicle insurance, how do you know the difference? Why is it different from every other vehicle insurance? Is that it's the scope of cover. That's what makes it different from all other insurance policies. The third party insurance covers bodily injury. It covers the medical expenses for the third parties involved in an accident caused by the policyholder. That is one. It covers property damage. Property damage, for an instance, someone is driving and maybe something happens, he hits it's a car, by the way, that's a third party, and it's damaged. This third party covers it. Then another thing it does is that it covers deaths of a third party caused by the policyholder. There are situations when you see vehicles that have accidents and the third parties in that vehicle, there are deaths. Now this third party cover is purely for the third party. It covers those three things I just mentioned. Yes. Now, the awareness is we have different insurance companies online, and most of them these days digital. You don't even need to go anywhere. Once you find a good insurance company that you know they are good, we can Google, we all Google.
Yeah.
And you search. The ratings are there, the reviews are there. You get one. Once you get your insurance from a reputable insurance company, you have it, and there is a claim. We call it a claim when you have an accident. They will pay you because that is their work and that is our work.
Like for God knows how many years it will take to get the money or the payment. Can you give us an idea?
Okay, I know we'll be getting down to that place.
Yeah.
Now, if you have a third-party insurance policy and there is an accident, there are processes. What you need to do is to make your notification immediately. Okay. Call your insurer. Probably you got your insurance from the insurance company directly or an insurance agent or a broker. Any of these means you got your insurance. Okay. Call them immediately. I'm involved in an accident. Take pictures. If there are police reports you need to do your police reports. If there are statements, get them. Once you have all these things handy, present to your insurance company or your insurance agent or your broker who is your middleman. Your claim will be settled.
Wow.
No matter the level of damage caused?
No matter. There are limits of liability for third parties.
Okay.
So you should know all this. When you know your scope, most people buy this policy, they don't even know. So when you get your third party policy, know the scope of cover, what it covers, what you are entitled to, not you, the third party. Once you know all this, it's very easy.
And you can just convince us that it's working in Nigeria
efficiently. It is working in Nigeria efficiently. The important thing is that get it from an insurance company.
Okay.
Or a registered insurance broker or insurance agent. I know that you have a genuine third party, not quacks or written by a roadside person that gives it to you.
So there are quacks there too, and roadside insurance brokers.
So how do you know? Is there something?
There are insurance companies. You can't walk into an insurance company like this is ABS.
Yeah.
And I come here and meet you. Are you the person in charge? I want to book for a program, and I pay you. You have a receipt. I have a document that has your signature. I can't come tomorrow and tell you. You not tell me I can't hold the program when I have evidences.
Yeah.
So every person, every vehicle owner, a driver, should be able to go to an insurance company and say, I want third party. In Nzukọ, people come to my offices, and most I will get by referral. And these people they are good. But once you buy your policy, you get an alert that you've purchased a jolly policy from so company. NID will reply you. There is a platform that sends you a message. So these are the things you know, and you get it. And with that, you are covered. So the insurance company cannot say, I came to your office to purchase an insurance policy, and I have a claim. You're telling me I did not purchase that. It's not possible. So let the people get a reputable insurance company that they know they've heard about.
Okay, so far so good. You've also, in the process of trying to let's understand this third-party insurance, you've also outlined benefits, a lot of benefits that comes with having your vehicle insured, and then talking about the benefits of even having it insured to the point of third-party. So, are there any other benefits attached to having your vehicle insured?
Yes, if it's a third party, you want more, you can ask and they can give you additional add-ons for you. You can do a personal accident for yourself.
Okay.
That means, for example, the person is driving, has an accident. The third party does not cover his car or him or anybody in his car. It's for the third party. But the personal accident cover covers you. Okay,
just like if you just hit, maybe you're driving and you hit somewhere.
You hit somewhere or you broke someone's fence. Someone's driving now. Maybe he lost the brake field and hits ABS's fence. It's a property.
Let them not hit ABS.
It's an instance. It's a property.
Yeah.
It's simple. We take picture of his damaged car. If there are people involved or casualties involved, take their names, get their statements, police reports, take them to the insurance company. Don't settle it.
Okay, so how can one maximize the benefits of third-party motor, insurance?
Okay. Firstly, like I said earlier on, choose a reputable insurer.
Okay.
An insurer is any insurance company that you know. Select an insurance company with a strong reputation for prompt and fair claim processing. That is one. Then secondly, understand your policy scope of cover, the limits, be aware of the maximum amount your insurance company will pay for third-party damages in case of an accident, including bodily injury, like I've stated earlier, property damage. And this can help you consider additional coverage, like I've stated before. You can go for a personal insurance cover or higher liability. For example, the third party for a car, the limit is 3 million. You can attend to the third party. Now, if you want a higher liability cover, it's there in the insurance industry. Okay. Can give it for you. Then drive safely. Drive safely to avoid any risk of accident. Then fourthly, stay informed about policy changes. Before now, third party was 5,000 some years ago. Then the limit of liability was 1 million. But now for a private car, it's 15,000. And the limit is 3 million. So these are changes. So
is this like a fixed price, or is this for like your own insurance company?
In the insurance industry, third parties.
Okay, it's the same.
Yes, for private cars. For commercials, there are prices. For trucks, there are premium rates for that too. Then, if you need any advice, you can seek it from your insurance company, or you meet your insurance agency or the broker to give you advice. Then the last one, like I said, report incidents immediately. If you are involved in an accident, report it promptly to your insurance company and the relevant authorities, providing accurate details about the accident. Also gather necessary documentation. Collect all the relevant documents like police report, like I said earlier, witnesses, medical reports, photos of the accident scene to support your claim. These are the things you need to maximize your use of a third-party policy.
All these things like this now, even the 5,000 naira, 1 million, 15,000 naira, 3 million, everything combined together. Is it by force? Is it compulsory?
It is compulsory.
Why?
It is. Now, there is an act that was stipulated some years ago. They call it Third-Party Motor Vehicle Ordinances of 1945. It refers to the motor vehicle. The Act of 1945 in Nigeria mandates that all motor vehicle owners must carry an insurance to cover potential liabilities towards third parties in case of incidents, essentially making it compulsory to have a third party, minimum of a third party motor vehicle insurance in the country. That ordinance in 1945 makes it a law. Then There is an Insurance Act of 2003, Section 68, subsection 4. It states that if a person breaks the provisions of the section, and the section of 68 says no one can drive a motor vehicle on the road without insurance that covers damage to third-party property and injury to third parties, the insurance must be issued by an authorized insurer. That is the section 68 that stipulates that it is a must, it is a law. It is a compulsory insurance in Nigeria that all vehicle owners, it is a law.
All these commercial buses flying, they all have insurance.
Yes.
Is anybody enforcing it? Is anybody
To make sure that they do have the
if they are
insurance.
duly insured or not?
Because the way they knock people vehicle, they shout, God, sorry, you're a mistake.
We are happy that the IG has said that starting this February, they will have the enforcement on ground that because you see a lot of people lamenting. I don't know if your families or relations have had an accident like that. I was driving, one bus driver just hit my car and he left. Now with that, once you have their vehicle details, you can actually get them.
Okay. So, what is the penalty for not taking up the third-party motor insurance, if any? You know, if
because
any.
If you're caught not having a third-party insurance, the subsection 4 states that
If you are caught, I like that one. Who catches?
if you break the law and you are guilty of that offense, the penalty is 250,000. Imprisonment for 1 year or both.
Okay.
That's the penalty.
Okay.
If you break that offense, because it's a law. It's a law.
So in this case now, who catches who? Who implements or supervises or enforces the law now? Is it the police? Is it the road safety? Is it the VIO? Is it the insurance company? We want to know because you are here to educate us.
Okay. As we sell, I know the police, the VIO, the road safety, they do help at times to do that, to make sure that these people have it.
Okay.
And when you go to the licensing office, they will tell you, you have to get your third-party insurance. So some people will say, I've got it from my insurance company. This is it. Give my vehicle license. Some people do comprehensive because they don't want the stress of settling other people's vehicle and theirs cannot be settled. And so most times, people who know the law, who don't want the stress, who knows that insurance actually works in Nigeria, they do it.
Okay.
In a situation where we're talking about a vehicle hitting another vehicle, what in a situation where a vehicle hits someone? Does the third party also imply there?
Yes, it's a third party.
Because they can't buy inside the situation.
I told you it's part of the benefit. Why you should maximize. Imagine, for an instance, a vehicle hits someone on the road. That's a third party.
Yeah.
The person dies. You know what it means to settle someone, even though it's 1 million from your pocket. So this third party insurance covers it for death of the third party. So that's why it is important to get a genuine third-party insurance.
Is there a level of years you'd have to be insured for you to have the benefits of the third party? Or once you buy a vehicle, you get insured, you have the benefits?
Yes, for a full year. Once you pay your premium for a third party, for private motor is 15,000. Once you pay, from the day you paid, pounds 365 days.
And it's renewable too?
Days. Yes, every year. It's an annual premium.
Okay, let's open up the phone line, maybe take 1 or 2 calls before we jabba, 0706 5381 320.
Or you can call us on 0904 956 0826. You can drop your comments on Facebook on Anambra Broadcasting Service on the live stream. We'll do well to read out your comments when we see them.
Somebody's already here. Hello.
Hello, good morning, dear.
Good morning.
Happy of the East.
Welcome.
Dalo.
Yeah, the guest in the studio, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Monica Francis. I'm calling you now from Ubunka in Orumba South.
Okay.
What I want to talk here is that maybe if you want to buy a vehicle, immediately you are saying, you see an agent approaching you, well, I'm an insurance man and a vehicle license man and so on. And most of the receipts they give to you, they don't have office or even address. You can see them physically, but you are with the paper. You are supposed to use more of sensitization in a media organization as you are saying in ABS now. To tell us more, the genuine insurance company that we can see and walk into the office and lay our complaint. That's my solution here this morning. God bless you.
Bless you too for joining us. Yeah, you heard him. So you may wish to react.
Thank you very much.
We have a comment on Facebook before you come in. It says, Star White Onyobodo. Good morning to you all in the studio. You guys are doing well. Keep it up. Watching from Mbaupu, Anambra State. Also Francis Nnamani watching from Amagunze in Enugu State. Good morning from here. Keep up the good work. Thank you for joining our live stream.
Okay, so just wait, hold on. Somebody is here too, so that you can marry the two. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
Yes. But do it in English, please.
There is and my name is Emmanuel call from Omayamoka.
Okay, you're welcome.
Please, what I want you people to do, if you people can be going to the Keke Park so that you can be telling them about this so that they can understand it, and you people will make sure that you people have an office where somebody can use it in and go.
Okay.
Understand? That is my own suggestion.
Okay. That's also in tandem with the last caller's submission. So the ball is in your court.
Okay. Thank you. So what I like I said earlier, I know everybody operates a phone. Even as simple as our WhatsApp. You can type insurance companies in Nigeria. It will come up. If you want their offices, it will show you. Anyone you pick, Anambra State, Oka or Onitsha. Like our company, we have a branch in Onitsha. As I was in Oka here now, I've seen other companies along the road.
Yeah.
They are there. You are free to walk in. Okay. Or if you see an insurance broker, there are some persons who are called insurance brokers. They will say it in a signage. Walk into their office. They will never sell an insurance policy for you that is not genuine.
Okay.
Most people want it the fast way. Someone will just come and do for you. Okay, fine. Someone gave you a policy document. Definitely, there is a way you can check. NID is there. Type in your registration number. It will pop up if your insurance is there to tell you your name, the registration number, the policy number, the vehicle chassis number will be there.
Okay.
You would know if that's genuine. That's if peradventure the agent come to you, because not all agents are fake. You have agents who are genuine, who go around and sell. Okay. So if you want to confirm that, is this insurance genuine, you can put it there and check for it. So I'm telling all Anambrarians that you can walk into any insurance company and tell them I want a third-party insurance. Or if you want a more robust policy, I want comprehensive motor policy. For the car dealers, they know that already. It covers your car and the third party.
Okay.
These are ways you can get it.
All right. I believe you will come again and keep coming on and on,
Definitely.
on and on for this sensitization. Like the two callers now, they are harping on awareness, creating awareness, so that people will know much about that. And we want to thank you for coming, Branch Coordinator, Data, Anambra States, Anchor Insurance Company Limited, Iruke Honoro. Mrs. Say hi to our audience this morning. Your final message to them this morning.
Okay. Thank you very much. I want to greet our audience. I appreciate you for wanting to buy genuine insurance products. The Nigeria Insurance Association states that everyone should endeavor to get your genuine insurance company. Like I said earlier, walk into any insurance company you see and tell them you want a third-party insurance cover. Don't allow any tout tell you this one is an insurance policy and you can't see necessary details you need and you have a claim you can't settle it. To avoid such issues, make sure you go into a registered insurance company office, buy your third-party insurance. Definitely you get an alert or you get a policy document. You know their office, and with that, your insurance policy is covered and you have your genuine insurance. And when you have a claim, That's what we call it in the industry. A claim, that means you had an accident or you hurt someone, a property, or the person, or it resulted in death. With your third-party motor insurance, it can settle. You don't have to pay from your pockets.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Well, like you've just had that, so go get your third-party insurance if you haven't done so. I'm Roy Ekunife, thanking you for joining us today.
And I'm Uche Chukwu Ebonam. Thank you so much. We'll get Benandra over and out.
And Anthony Chukwu and Priska Wangpo, they are here for a baton change because the show must go on. Don't touch that dial.